Welcome to BlackBull Markets CopyTrader tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss how to set up a provider account using the BlackBull Markets CopyTrader platform. Now, without further ado, let's get stuck in. So, as you've signed into your secure client area, you as a provider can now link up any of the strategies that you have running on your MT4 or MT5 account. In this example, we're going to use our MT4 platform. So this can be an existing account or this can be a new account. In my example, I've got zero balance. It's a brand new account. But if you've had a long-standing track record history with BlackBull Markets trading on MT4 or MT5, you can integrate that as a provider strategy through our CopyTrader platform. Either way, the process is the same. So first step is you hit trading tools, go on to social trading, and you hit social trading portal. Now, as you get into the portal, you're then prompted to register as either a provider or a follower. Now, in this example, we are going to register as a provider strategy. So let's enter our trading account ID. So in order to find that, of course, you just simply go back into your secure client area. So as we go back onto our accounts page, we can actually see all of the accounts we have set up within our secure client area. In this example, I'm going to be using the account 210099575. Now, this is an MT4 account, and if I wanted to reset the password, all I do is hit the settings tab, enter a new password here, and confirm the password before registering it on the provider registration form. So we're going to change that password, as simple as that. We go back onto the provider registration form, and now we're going to enter our login. So 210099575. Just simply enter that here. 99575, double check that's correct, and we're correct. Password's in there, and we're going to provide a nickname. In this example, I'm just going to write provider example. We're going to hit register, and now this will take us to our provider portal. This is our almost a secondary client portal that sits within your secure client area for your provider strategy, and where you can actually go into to configure the settings for your provider strategy. For example, the first action to take is to update your avatar, and this will be your publicly displayed logo on our ratings library. In addition to that, we work from top to bottom. So let's go through the different parameters you can set. In the common information, this is the publicly displayed nickname, which we inputted at the registration form, which you can go in and edit at any time. The personal details of the account. Now, it's extremely important you add as much information on the summary page as possible. So in this example, this will be my strategy, and this could be, say I could call it a low risk FX swing trading strategy. Just an example in this case. Now, the notes would be details about the strategy. So I could write the assets I trade, for example. I trade the 5 main FX crosses, trade 1 to 2 times per week, and generally hold positions for a month. That's my summary. Now what I do is I hit save changes. That information will be displayed on the public register where our ratings module is formed, where you can see all the different providers. So now, through my strategy, this is where I can actually select to hide my stop losses. Remember, through the CopyTrader, the follower gets copied all of the trades you place from your provider account. They can see the exact level you've entered the market. However, through the strategy button on your provider settings, you can choose if you would like followers to see your stop losses or not. Now, this is a bit of a preventative measure to prevent followers from perhaps copying your trades that you're placing onto another account where you don't benefit. So If you hide your stops, they won't know your exact trade parameters. So in this example, we're going to hide our stops. And now here's where it gets interesting. Here's where I can see where all my performance fees will be paid. Any follower that plugs in, I will get a share of any performance fee that they make from a positive trade. So in this example, this says my account 2100099575 is where I will receive all of my performance fees. I can change that to any other MT4 or MT5 account I hold with BlackBull Markets. Now, once you're happy with the account you've chosen, you hit Save Change. Perfect. Here is the interesting part. Here is where I can create an offer that's publicly displayed to the library of 50,000 plus users at BlackBull Markets. And I tell you what, on this example, I'm going to offer a per trade performance fee share profit. So in this example, I'm going to call it get paid per trade. Why is that? Well, I'm going to publicly display it, and I'm going to take a 20% performance fee on a per trade basis. Now, here is where it's interesting. I can choose for this firstly to be public or private. So your provider strategy could be in a private network that's away from our public settings. You can configure your performance fee. This could be anything up to 50%. If you do need higher than 50%, please do contact our team where we can configure and have a discussion with you about that. The next part is the interval. So you can choose to get paid your performance per trade, per day, per week, per month. Any of those options are available to you. If I wanted to do it on a per trade basis, I would simply hit create. And now my strategy is configured. Get paid per trade. Come and follow my strategy. Get paid per trade. All you do is you pay 20% of your profits back to me, and we can both reap rewards together. Now what's happened is my strategy is live. The additional part that's interesting to note is that below fees, you've got filters. Now here, filters is where I can set a minimum balance for anyone wanting to join my strategy. So in this example, I'm going to say, hey, I don't want anyone less than 10K to join my strategy. Why? Well, perhaps my strategy doesn't work so well with balances below 10K. All right, I've got a minimum balance now set in. Remember, you can edit these at any time. And you've also got public agent fees. Now, what is a public agent fee? Well, this is a fee that's paid to a certain individual who introduces a range of followers into your strategy. So, for example, if you're charging 20%, you could probably offer a 5% share with your public agent on this example that introduces any clients to you. Again, you can add multiple agents, and if you wanted just a simple hyperlink for your strategy, here is where you add it. So this hyperlink will ensure that people see your performance statistics instead of looking at all the other strategies that are publicly available. So all we do is we hit add, we type in a key, and I'm going to write get paid per trade, one word, and expiration of the link. This would generate a unique URL. In this example, we'll just do it to the end of the month. The agent account. Now, we won't have an agent account in this example. We can hit create, but if you did have an agent, you could put their number there. And if you simply click your link, you can hit the copy bar over here, and that will copy your unique URL that will be applied for anyone looking to follow your strategy. So if we control V it here, you can see under a socialtrade.blackbullmarkets.com domain, you have your get paid per trade unique domain link for your provider strategy in which anyone can join. Now we've saved those changes, and we are a live strategy on the BlackBull Markets module. So now if we just hit ratings from our portal, we can go in and see other strategies also, including our own one, which would be displayed on the ratings page. You can see all of the currently running strategies here. If you click through a strategy, say for example, we click through IFX Capital, we can see their summary placed over here at the top, the name of the strategy, the nickname of the strategy, and the ability just to simply copy if needed. If you go down, you can see historical equity curves, month-on-month return figures. We click through instruments, we can see exactly what the strategy is trading, and of course the equity figures as well as other cool trade statistics that are all mapped from your trading account as soon as you integrate your provider account there. A great tool for complete transparency as a provider to display to investors. And we go forth, connect your strategy as a provider, become a part of the BlackBull Markets copy trade network, and reap the benefits of our client database, all looking at your strategy. There's nothing to hide. It's integrated directly with our live server. You can't hide from your stats. You'll get your trades copied and also get paid from being a provider. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Any questions, hit us on the support links below, but we wish you all the best. Take care.